And once the connection is restored and the game loads normally, the error is fixed and you're back to gaming. The no problem 114627-0 error on the PlayStation 5 usually appears when the console temporarily loses connection to the PlayStation servers due to network issues or server-side problems. If the error keeps appearing, the final step is to contact Sony PlayStation support. Their support team can check for account-related issues or ongoing service problems and guide you through advanced troubleshooting. Before contacting support, try rebuilding the console's database. Turn off your PS5 completely, then press and hold the power button until you hear the second beep. Connect your controller using a USB cable and select Rebuild Database. This process fixes corrupted system data and may take a few minutes. If rebuilding the database doesn't help, restart your console, turn it off, unplug it from the power source, wait a few minutes, then plug it back in and turn it on again. A simple restart often clears temporary connection glitches. You should also check whether PlayStation Network services are working properly. Sometimes the servers are under maintenance or experiencing outages, which can cause this error, even if your internet is fine. Before anything else, always check your internet connection. Go to Settings, select Network, and verify that your PS5 is connected to a stable and reliable network. If the connection is weak, restart your router or move closer to your Wi-Fi source. So guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we explained how to fix the PS5 no problem 114627-0 error step by step. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more PlayStation fixes. Happy gaming!